Well, good morning and welcome back. It is now 5:15 and we have entered into the Arctic air here across the Tennessee Valley. It feels more like, I guess you would say, northern Canada, as we're in the teens across the entire region now. 12 degrees in Athens, 19 in Murphy, 18 in Dalton, and 1 lonely degree in Altamont. Now keep in mind, this Arctic air really rushed in. Temperatures dropped very quickly. So when I got here right around 1:30, it was still 31 degrees here at Local 3 Studios. Now it's 5:15 and the temperature is 11 degrees here in North Chattanooga. So this cold air is continuing to filter in. We're probably going to drop several more degrees before the sun comes up this morning, and the winds have been whipping around. We have gusts as high as 25, even 30 miles per hour across the Tennessee Valley. You add in those cold Arctic temperatures plus those wind gusts, and you get that wind chill. That's what it feels like to your bare skin. It feels like -4 in Fort Payne, -15 degrees is your wind chill in Altamont, -8 in Athens, and 8 degrees in Murphy. So again, it is just a brutally cold morning across the Tennessee Valley. That Arctic air continuing to pack a punch all the way from really the plains into portions of the southeast. You can kind of see exactly where the front is located. On the front side of this, it's still in the 40s, even 60s down in Jacksonville. But if you are on the west side of this cold front, it is a very, very cold Friday morning. And when you compare this to Thursday morning, it's almost 30 degrees colder in Chattanooga, and look at that swath of 40 degrees cold. I mean, that is a huge temperature swing there, and that's what we're going to continue to deal with really all day long into your Christmas weekend. And so I feel like Christmas is kind of getting overshadowed by these cold temperatures. Just not something that we see that often. In fact, last year I think our coldest temperature officially in Chattanooga was 18 degrees, so we've already far exceeded that number. We're also tracking a few light snow showers across Marion County, so along I-24 there could be a few slick spots. Also into Jackson County, down into Dade County, mainly in some of those higher elevations. Again, this is light snow, but still you could see a few flurries falling, even into southern Hamilton County. Again, there could be a few slick spots along 24, or really in some of the rural areas into Grundy, Marion, Jackson, even Dade and Walker counties. Again, not a big deal. We didn't have a whole lot of snow falling, and we really didn't expect that. As the cold air approached, things kind of dried out and most of the precipitation shot off to the north. So things are looking pretty good into Cleveland, Athens, Dalton, and Calhoun. With that being said, still take it easy out there. There could be a couple of slick spots, especially in some of those back roads. But, you know, with the wind picking up, we've had quite a bit of power outages. Now, these numbers seem to be improving, but we still have over 900 customers in Hamilton County without power, over 1,000 in Bledsoe County, 800 in Polk County. So the numbers are improving, which is good news. And I was looking through some of our reports that have been sent in on our social media. It looks like there are quite a bit of power outages, especially in and around Sale Creek, also back into McMinn County as well. So we'll continue to monitor the situation. Now 30,000 customers without power across the state of Tennessee, over 100,000 now in Georgia. So it does look like things will start to improve throughout the day, but this is certainly something we're going to watch closely, especially with these brutally cold temperatures. We're going to stay in the teens all day with those wind chill values hovering anywhere from about, we'll say 0 to -10 here in the valleys, even colder in the higher elevations, but no more winter weather to worry about other than just some light snow, especially in some of those higher elevations. And then going into your Saturday, we're going to keep the cloud cover. It's going to be another really cold day. That'll be the story for your Saturday as well, even into Sunday. And then as we go into your Monday, we'll gradually start that warming trend, but we could have a couple of light snow showers diving down as we go into your Monday afternoon, but this shouldn't be a really big deal. In fact, anything's going to be really light. We still have a lot of dry air in place, but just look at these temperatures. I mean, Christmas Eve, 25 was your high. By the time we wake up on Christmas morning, Paul, we're going to be in the teens. And I'll tell you what, I mean, this is one of the coldest Christmas days that I remember, at least. I know back in 2020 it was quite chilly, but today a high of 14, that just doesn't seem right.
Any chance, what did I see, 7 is the low record?
That is going to be the low tomorrow. I don't believe that is going to be a record low, but we could have a record low high temperature tomorrow.
That's interesting. It's tricky how that high at midnight last night.
Yeah, it kind of messed everything up.
But
the story here is it's cold. So if you're going to be out, please layer up.
Speaking of being out.